So guys, so today I'm in RT Nagar hunting for shawarma. So probably will be going to Empire. So I'm bored of Empire food nowadays. So I'll try to find some other good places around, and I'll show you the roads and I'll show you the food over here and other stuffs like the shops and other things. So I'm sorry for I'm wearing helmet. So for I'll be showing you everything. So let's get started from here. So we'll start a journey from Tresita, RT Nagar police station. So this is the road. The way. Cheers. This is a commercial place of RT Nagar. You have Peter England. So there is a place called Albek here. I want to try. This is not a place from Saudi Arabia. So they have opened it in Bangalore. This is not even a franchisee because Albek is very famous in Saudi Arabia, Makkah, Medina, Riyadh, Dammam, many places. But here it's different. This is a completely different owner. So we'll see some other places and we'll stop in Albek. So the food is okay, not that great. I want to try rolls over there and see how the taste is. So this place I like idli and masala dosa. They have very good idli and masala dosa. I'll show you again. So sorry for the bus just stopped right while I'm speaking. It's very good to have a breakfast over there in the morning. Yo, I'm not able to find any shawarma here. So we're gonna go a little further and check for shawarma, or we'll end up eating in Albek. So this is the end. I'll show you the beautiful a circle they have made here. It's a new circle. Yeah. That's Poempo. Yo, nice. It's really nice. So back to our Albek now. chocolate shops. So this is a new place, but I don't think they have shawarma. They have. So I will try shawarma from there tomorrow or something else. So for now, it's Albek. Here we go. So this is the place I was talking about. Vishnu Garden. So they have amazing dosas and idlis. So I have tried only two, so I don't know much about other items. So, nice food, nice food. You guys try once. So now slowly Bangalore is getting hot, slowly. So it is 27 now degrees Celsius. So hopefully we'll get good rain and good weather back again. So this week probably will not have rain as per our Google says. So here we go, we are in Albek now. Try shawarma from here and we'll give you feedback. एक shawarma देना. So this is the menu. एक shawarma देखिए हाय बोलो
नहीं दिख रहा.
नाम क्या
इकबाल.
इकबाल फ्रॉम Albek
पार्सल
नहीं है
ईयर सर 240 दियो. इसमें ईयर डाल दिया हूँ, पार्सल डाल दिया हूँ. इधर करके बोलो.
240
ओके थैंक यू सर. 100 रुपीज़ आएगा. बोलो भैया. और भैया
पार्सल for
ओके भैया.
ये तीन है
कितना चाहिए आपको?
एक
कितना शोरमा कितना भैया? रेडी मेरा कार्ड देखो भैया.
It's just 80 rupees. There we go, let's go. So they have So you can see they have biryani, nice biryani. I guess they have kapsa too. Nice decoration. So they have grilled chicken, and here they have a fruit stall. So ice cream, fruits, juice, everything. So here we go, let's have a roll. कैसा दे दो ना 5
हाँ?
कोई स्पेशल ले लो मैं लेते रहता हूँ
उसमें ऑनियन डालना ना निकलना
स्पेशल वन हाँ
ऑनियन डालना ना निकलना
क्या डालना ऑनियन ऑनियन डालना डिफरेंस क्या है ऑनियन स्पेशल और इसमें
क्या भी डिफरेंस है ऑनियन डाले तो नहीं डाले तो स्पेशल है डाले तो नॉर्मल
अच्छा
लोग तो समझते नहीं है ऑनियन डालो फिर स्पेशल दियो क्या मैं दूँ तुम्हें वही मैं उसको पूछा कि क्या करना तो वही बोल रहा है स्पेशल बड़ा नाम है बस उतना और क्या आपको ऑनियन चाहिए तो पूछना ना सर
हाँ यार बस
स्पेशल में क्या डिफरेंस है पूछना वो बोलेंगे तो उसका हिसाब से मिल रहा लेकिन ये तो ऑनियन दियो और स्पेशल का भी
pretty honest guy
हाँ दे रहा हूँ डाल दो दे नागो वाला को मांगा है ना वो तो देखना ना
कैरेक्टर
स्पेशल है ना
मेरा है ना
क्या क्या
मेरा एक है ना
लेकिन वो आदमी अलग है तो बोलेंगे तो मैं क्या करूँ वही तो बोल रहा हूँ दूसरा आदमी है आप बोलेंगे तो मैं कैसे दे दूँ
मेरा एक है
दे रहा हूँ
पकड़े ला रहा है
Thank you. Here we go. So we got our roll. So let's taste it. It looks yum. Bismillah. Yo, nice. Not bad. It's nice. Not like Saudi Albek, but it's nice. So I'll finish this. Please do like my videos and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna come up with new good videos very soon. Please subscribe to my channel and comment below for any recommendations or any sort of places you want me to go. Anything. So cheers.